Hello everyone, welcome to Nakamura-Tome booth. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of our new products, the WT-250 II. Let's have a look at it. At this time, we have machined 5-storied pagoda, which is one of the famous buildings in Japan. It's delicate, isn't it? For WT-250 II, it has 2 spindles and 2 turrets machined with a single Y-axis on the upper turret. Both upper and lower turret are capable to work on both left and right spindles, and simultaneous turning or milling process can be done at the same time. Since WT-250 II has boxway guides on all axes, we can do heavy-duty cutting. It is not only heavy-duty cutting, but it can also be performed for delicate and accurate machining. Okay, so this is the machine at Nakamura-Tome booth in JIMTOF. Please come to our booth and see the machine. Thank you for watching.